handsome! What? Oh no! Killer lips!
Oops.
Wow! This lifeguard stole my heart! I love you, Adele! Me? Hey! Turn off the water! Chill, Adele! I just wrote down the temperature! Weirdos! Justin! Cut it out! Can I please become a lifeguard too? You have so many cool things! Here you go! Wow! I can see way better from up here! Help! I'm drowning! Help! Hold on! I'll pull you out! Catch! What's going on? He's drowning! Move, hottie! Don't stop me from saving him! Oh! This is hard! Ouch! I saved myself! Thanks! Give me the vest! You're fired! And you are hired! Welcome aboard! Are you asleep, handsome? Now we'll always be together! What? Who's there? Adele? She's in my binoculars, too! Hi! Can I have the menu? Adele again! She's everywhere! I'm full! My lifeguard is always on guard! My crush is so brave! Ah! Help! Shark! What? Where? Down there! I'll get rid of it! Shoo! Go away! Swim home! You didn't say he'd hit me! I earned a kiss! I'll pay you instead! Oh, hi, hottie! That's my dream lifeguard! Everything is safe! I can take a quick nap! A little love note on his back! Neil won't even notice! I love you! I had a great nap in the sun! Oops! Hi, Neil! Can I hide from the sun behind your back? It's so broad! I'll save you! Where are you going, Neil? I brought you shade! It costs just one kiss! I'd rather pay cash! Thanks! A nice massage by Neil! Just $5! Wow! But I don't have any cash! Hold on! I'll find treasure! There must be gold here! I can sense it! Right here! Oh! A whole treasure chest! I'm a millionaire! Let me through! I need a massage! I'll pay anything! There's a line! Go to the back! Stay right there! I'll be right back! Quick! Save my watch! It drowned in the sand! Help! It must be here somewhere! There's nothing there! That's weird! I'll keep looking! Oh no! My watch actually vanished! finished! Know what time it is? If you do, buy a watch! Hey, that's mine! I'll sell them for a kiss! I'll just pay you! Scammer! Wow! Nice flip! I can do that too! I'm ready! It's deep enough here! Wow! I did it! What the? Justin! Hey, Lifeguard! I'm past the buoys! Hey, come back! Fine, if you insist. What if I move the buoys closer? Hey, don't go past the buoys! Okay! Hey, that's not allowed! Leave them alone! Oops! The coffee's too hot! I have to blow on it! Oh, perfect! Don't waste air! Keep whistling, Adele! Here I go! Ah! Tidal wave! I'll save you, Adele! The coast is clear! You're safe! Check out the menu, Neil! Oh, shark! I can't see anything! That's better! We'll have 2 burgers! So romantic! Neil, save him! Catch! All better! Thanks! Neil, you're my hero! Phew! This basket is heavy! I can't even lift it! Oh, Neil! Will you save me? The basket is too heavy! Of course I'll help you! Let's go! Here's the gym! You can strengthen your muscles here! Come on! Lift the weights! You're getting stronger, Adele! Good job! Proud of you! Now try to lift the basket! I believe in you! Yeah! I am so strong! Happy to help! Time to flip over! What's that smell? Something's burning? I'm roasting marshmallows! What? No! The fire is out! You're safe! Time to change for dinner! My shift is over! So he's a real nerd! Did you like our new video? Then comment below and tell us who you like more, Neil the Lifeguard or Justin the Nerd. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.